Intermec smart printers run applications right in the printer to allow you to work faster, smarter, and more economically. Let's take a quick look at how a typical label printing application will work with this new PM23C industrial printer. With the on-screen keypad and the touchscreen display, users can interact with the printer in ways that with other printers they just can't do. What I'm showing you here is just one example. Of course, what you do with the application is completely dependent on your imagination. So we've got a configuration display that allows you to edit configuration items, update the product file. We'll talk a little more about that in a few minutes. Set the date and time, do a few other things. What I want to show is how simple it is to set up a label job. So we choose labels. Then you can scroll through each item, showing 7 items at a time. You choose the item that you want to print labels for. You can update the price, you can override it, you can change the sell by date. And then finally, when you're ready to go, you type in the quantity that you want to print. We'll just print 10. And now the print button displays, now that I've done everything necessary to set up the labels batch. Hit the print button. We'll print one label as an alignment. Looks okay. Now we just hit print again, and you'll notice that the batch quantity updates as the label batch progresses. And at 12 inches a second, this thing really screams through the labels. Now, every once in a while, you've got to update the product file as your product mix changes, prices change, or whatever. So we'll just use a USB flash drive to do that with. We hit back, choose configuration, update product file. I'll insert the USB flash drive in the back of the printer. And then I just hit OK. Works through, takes a second or two to recognize the flash drive, and now the product file is updated so that the next time I go into the labels screen, I've now got the new product list. Imagine how much better your labeling operations can run with the power of an Intermec smart printer. Intermec smart printing. Simple, reliable, economical.